Pigs are omnivores, meaning they eat almost anything: roots, fruits, plants, insects, even carrion. This flexible diet is one of their greatest advantages in the wild. But there is a darker side. When food is scarce, pigs can turn to hunters. They may attack small animals, birds, and even vulnerable young prey. Their sudden bursts of speed and raw strength make them surprisingly effective predators, and when threatened, a pig becomes something entirely different than a defensive force, a mother pig, especially when protecting her young, is one of the most dangerous animals you can encounter. She will charge without hesitation, using her sharp tusks as deadly weapons.